morning to all my wow kids. So kids, look here. Who has come to meet you? I have Lion, the king of the jungle. And I also have your favorite pet animal, dog. So we will play a very interesting game with these animals and your favorite clay. Okay kids? I know you all love to play with the clay. So we are going to make the first letter of the animal name, like lion. So lion starts from which letter? Letter L. And we will going to make letter L with the help of clay. So shall we start? So let's play. So kids, look, which is our first animal? We have dog. And dog starts from which letter? Letter D. So let's make letter D with the help of yellow clay. And now we will make a big row, a long row. And in letter D, what we need? We need one standing line and one curve. So this is for the standing line, right kids? And for the curve, we will bend the curve on the left side, right kids? So look, now we are going to make the letter D, and D for dog. And now the next animal is cat. And how cat speaks? Cat says meow. And we are going to make the letter C from the brown clay. C for cat. So again, what we are going to do? We will make a long row. And did we need any standing line or slanting lines? No. In letter C, we only need a curve. And the curve is open on the right side. Right, my kids? Look over here. This is letter C. C for cat. And our next animal is a sea animal. So this is a fish. And fish starts from which letter? Letter F. And now we are going to make letter F with the blue clay. So kids, where does the fish swim? Fish swims in water. And for letter F, what we need? We need a big row. And then we will make one standing line. And how many sleeping lines? Only two. Right, my kids? So I have made one standing line. And I need two more sleeping lines. So here it goes first. And now the second one. So this is letter F. F for fish. And the next animal is horse. And horse starts from which letter? Letter H. And we will make letter H with the brown clay. So again, what we are going to do? We will make a long row. Right, my kids? And for letter H, what we need? We need two standing lines and one small sleeping line. So here I go. One standing line and one more standing line, and it will join by a small sleeping line. Okay kids? So this is letter H, and H for horse. And our next animal is very strong. It is an elephant. And we are going to make letter E with the green clay. So let's make a long row. And in letter E, what we need? We need one standing line. And we need three sleeping lines. Okay, letter E is just like letter F. But in F we have two, and here what we have? We have three sleeping lines. So we need first our standing line, and here it goes, the first sleeping line, and now I need the second one. Okay, kids. And now I need the third one. So it is going to make letter E. E for elephant. And kids, our last animal is lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. And lion starts from which letter? Letter L. And we will make letter L with this clay. So again what we do? We will make a big rope. And for letter L, what we need? One standing line and one sleeping line. So it's very easy. So this is letter L, one standing line and one sleeping line. Okay, look over here. This is letter L. L for lion. So kids, we have made today letter D. D for dog. Letter C. C for cat. Letter F. F for fish. Letter H. H for horse. Letter E. E for elephant. And letter L. L for lion.